Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Amazfit Neo. Now, this kind of retro watch, it's a back in the days, no, it's a newly watch from 2020, which is from Amazfit, and it's really kind of great. What I like about it, it's all about retro. Enough of me talking, let us just get started. Woo, there we have it. As you can see, guys, this is the Amazfit Neo. What I like about this watch, first time I'm grabbing it, it's all about the retro. It gave me a retro feel from back in the days. I remember the way I was using this kind of retro style watch when I was at school, primary school, and it was really kind of great thing. You might be saying a lot of things. Smartwatch, a normal display smartwatch here. It's a TicWatch C2 Plus. If you didn't check out the review, click this card here up. It will take you definitely. But this is the Amazfit Neo, which it's really kind of decent. What I like about it at the first glance, it's all about the appearance and how it looks like. And I keep on saying how it looks like, but it gives you bunch of features, especially like a heart rate, 24/7 heart rate feature, and it gives you 28 days of battery life, which it's almost like a month after you charge it again, which is really brilliant. But for this kind of smartwatch which we're used to, they give you for almost 1 day and you charge it at night. So as in the morning, it can give you a kickstart so as you can continue grooving with your watch. Now, enough of me talking, let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and experience what's inside. Hey guys, here we have it. This is our Amazfit Neo. We're gonna unbox it and see what's happening inside. So I think there's what is this? I need to know. Is this the way I open the box? I don't know. Let us just do it. So yeah, it's the way. Okay. Let me see. What's this first? Are these like paperwork or I don't know? Yeah, paperwork. So you get first of all the paperwork. I know some of you guys don't love reading, but this is really kind of impressive thing. Paperwork. What's inside? Are you pamp like me? Yeah. So you get first of all the watch here. As you can see, it's really kind of brilliant. And what's in here, because I just want to know what's in here. Okay, I think this is the charger. As you can see, this is the charger. So the watch comes here and you charge it using the USB cable. You can charge it, I think, using even your PC. It's gonna be really kind of great thing. So yeah, here's the watch, as you can see, which it's really kind of vibrant. I kind of like it, to be honest. I really like it. And I think I'm gonna be using it for upcoming days. I'm gonna leave my TicWatch aside a bit because I just wanna use this kind of watch, to be honest, and explore and a lot of things with it and see what's happening. So as you can see, guys, it's been wrapped around. So yeah, so at the back here, as you can see, guys, it's a really kind of great thing. There's a heart rate sensor, which it's here, which gives you for 24/7 heart rate measuring, which it's really kind of convenient. Turning it on, you'll be needing the power here. So as we can turn out first of all at a glance. So I'm gonna just dongle it up here and plug it in on our PC. So as you can see, guys, it needs to be binding right now, so as we can pair it with our phone, we can get started. First thing first, we have just to grab the app, go directly to the Google Play Store and go to the search and just search, say Zep, and click on Zep here. As you can see, you can just open up Zep and you can see you're having your watch here saying binding, and we're gonna just create an account since I don't have any kind of account in here, and click add device, and you can see scale, treadmill, say watch, and got it, allow here all the time, and got it here, and watch without QR code. Okay, it's gonna just start searching. You can see it pops up here, Amazfit Neo. Click here so as it can be binding. You can see it's binding right now, which is really kind of great thing. So it's connecting. I think the clock will be correct after connecting. Okay, tap select. Nice, that's binding. You can just click select. You can see here there's an emoji. it showed us some emoji here, which is really kind of great thing. So restoring watch settings, so it's gonna take some few time so as it can restore. And there is a transfer to watch, there's an update, as you can see. So through this watch you get even updates, real-time updates, as you can see here on the watch. There's something popping up on that kind of screen. I like this kind of screen here. It's a 1.2-inch screen, which is a black and white, which is really convenient. So it's transferring an update, which is really legitimate. So we are ready to connect. This, I think, is the percent of the battery which remain throughout the watch. And these are the activity. It looks like the Mi Band, Xiaomi Mi Band 6 layout. Right now we're gonna check out some few kind of options throughout this kind of watch. You can click here down, you can see that's a world clock. Click here down again, that's a heart rate. And click here down, I keep it on clicking on the button. I don't know what I'm saying, computer stuff. You have Pi, you just push the button again for notification or alarm. Click on the button for stopwatch. And this is night, so if you click it on, it will be just turning on night or smart and stuff like that. You can push the button again. This, I think, is for the weather, so it's telling you how much degrees right now it is, which is really good. Push it again for calories counter, which is really kind of convenience. And this is for tracking your kilometers, I think, or map, stuff like that. So this is walking, which is really good. So you can select a certain activity here from this side, and this is going back. So if I go forward, this one is going back. This is a back button, but this is up and this one is down for controlling it. So if you're in certain mode, let me say like this one I've selected, or let me just go to a certain mode which has an activity like this one, I can go back. But what does it not do anything? Okay, I can just turn on smart or turn it off. So the main kind of back button, I think, if you hold it, it will give you like lightning, which is really convenient. So I didn't figure it out, I just wanted to hold it first so as I can see what's going on. So if you hold on this button, it will turn off the lightning. Hold this kind of back button, turn on the lightning, and hold this button again, it will turn off the lightning. Holding this back button, it will turn on the lightning, which is really kind of convenient. So if you ask me, between these kind of two watches, this is a smartwatch, and even this one, it's a smartwatch, but this one gives you more feeds in terms of display compared to this one. It's really kind of differentiation here, but it depends with you how much you want on the watch. If you want some more kind of detail, more info, more features, you're gonna get a display watch like this fatigue watch. And if you want something retro-ish, giving you some smaller kind of info, but it's a smartwatch, well, the Amazfit Neo, it's there for you to give you all those kind of features. Another kind of last but not least is the always on display. The always on display from this kind of bad boy, it's remarkable. As you can see, it's just on for 24/7 whenever you're just using it. And I like another feature, I turn it on, it's called the lifting. So whenever you lift the watch, it's gonna be turning on the display, but I just don't recommend it because it's a black and white display, and turning on the light, if it's at night, it's okay, but throughout the day, man, why? As you can see here, it is wait, as you can see here, it is. So if I lift it, it's gonna be turning on the lightning, which is really convenient. If I lift it again, it's gonna be turning on the light, which is really kind of good. I really like that kind of feature, to be honest. So this is the Amazfit Neo. What do you think on the comments down below? Is this kind of watch really dope for you? Do you want to rock with it? Because me, I want to spend some time with it and explore it, because it's been a while. I never had a watch like this, to be honest, and I just wanted to grab it and share with you guys on this kind of video for a review. That's what's up, guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos, guys, and peace. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one, and peace.